Pangulong Aquino muling binigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng Public-Private Partnership Project para sa pagsusulong ng kaunlaran sa bansa. Inihayag ito ng Pangulo kasabay ng pagsaksi sa paglagda ng isa na ng mga proyektong pangkaunlaran ng pamahalaan. Ang kabuuang ulat mula kay Elena Luna, nag-uulat ng live mula sa Malacanang. Elena?
Maraming salamat, Habiba. Sinaksihan nga kaninang umaga ni Pangulong Aquino ang paglagda ng kasunduan para sa FTI Development Project. Ginawa ito sa reception hall ng palasyo. Mahalaga para sa isinusulong ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Aquino na Public-Private Partnership Project ang paglagda ng kasunduan sa pagitan ng gobyerno at Ayala Land Incorporated. Tukol ito sa pagbebenta ng 74 na ektaryang lupain ng Food Terminal Incorporated sa Taguig City.
We conducted a public bidding for the property on August 14th. Ayala Land's 24.3 billion peso offer was declared the highest bid, topping Robinson's Land at 14.7 billion and Empire East at 11 billion. This is one of the in the history of government privatization and can only be attributed to this administration's policy towards transparency and competitive bidding.
We'd like to really characterize this as more of one of the largest PPPs of the country, because truly this is going to be a major partnership between government and the private sector. We know that one of the flagship projects that the President has stated in the State of the Nation address is to put up a series of integrated transport systems. And FTI Complex is going to be the host of one of these biggest transport systems. So what we intend to do in the case of Ayala Land is to precisely be able to integrate our development with the integrated transport system of the government. And so what you see with the slight visuals you have here would represent another business district that we are going to be putting up, just like what we have done in Taguig.
Ang property ay matatagpuan sa South Luzon Expressway na malapit rin sa Skyway at Road. Bukod sa pagtutulungan ng pribadong sektor at gobyerno para mapabuti ang transportasyon sa bansa, magbibigay daan din ito para sa mga negosyo at karagdagang trabaho.
On behalf of Ayala Land, we're truly committed to making sure that we're going to be doing our share in this PPP by seeing to it that we generate a lot more economic activity and taxes, that we will be able to help out the DPWH relative to making sure that the right alignments to the Skyway will be happening, as well as to C5, so that we could have another traffic alleviation project that will decongest EDSA and at the same time connect C5 to the South Luzon Expressway.
Bahagi rin ng seremonya sa palasyo ang pagbibigay ng tseke kay Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima na nagkakahalaga ng 22 billion pesos.
The proceeds from this privatization will be used to support the Department of Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization and projects of the Department of Agrarian Reform. We hope the redevelopment of the FTI complex will lead to economic activity and increase employment in Taguig and the surrounding metropolitan area.
Nakibahagi rin sa formal na paglagda sa kasunduan para sa FTI development sina DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson at Ayala Land Chairman Fernando Sobel de Ayala. Matapos ang signing ceremony na ito, Habiba, ay naging abala naman si Pangulong Aquino sa sunod-sunod na meeting kasama ang ilang cabinet officials. 1:30 ng hapon ay nagsimula ang kanyang meeting kasama ang grupo ni Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima. 3:30 naman ng hapon magsisimula ang kanyang meeting kasama si Budget Secretary Florencio Abad at Justice Secretary Leila de Lima. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTBM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.